Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Pakin from EasyRecipesWithATwist.com, and today I'm here with my friends at RecipeLion.com who asked me to produce a video on these beautiful double-baked potatoes stuffed with amazing flavors. I hope you will enjoy it and stay tuned! For this recipe you will need 3 large russet potatoes. I baked them in the middle of the oven until they soft and fork tender in the middle. Baby dill, sour cream, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, mozzarella cheese, bacon, 3 bacons. You can add more or less depending on your love of the bacon, and the garlic. Take your potato, cut in the middle, and peel a little bit of the peel here. Just a little bit, not so much, not too much. Take it out, take your spoon and take it out, but leave a little bit of potato to hold the shape. It's like potato skins, but it's stuffed potato with all the goodness. Yeah, beautiful. Do the same to all the rest of potatoes. You see? It should look like this, like both. Okay, take little chopper, add the garlic to the chopper and blitz it first. Then add baby dill, and I love to use leaves and stalks all together because they're so flavorful and a lot of ingredients are hidden here. So use it all. And I'm adding sour cream to the party. Nice. Okay, mix all together. So good. Okay, take all the sour cream and the herbs inside. All of it. Add bacon. I just crumble the bacon. Leave a little bit for garnish later. It's beautiful. Salt, pepper, cayenne pepper. Love my cayenne pepper. And bring a little bit of zing and half of the cheese. Mix it all together well, and the potatoes that I took from inside. Take your filling and fill all the potatoes here. It should squeeze very well inside. Whooppies. Fill all the rest with it. Take your cheese and stuff it inside as well. It should be beautiful and cheesy. Great flavor. Stuff it well inside. I think you will probably will have leftover stuffing, but you can make little patties and cook them inside the oven or fry them, or there's very tasty and flavorful stuffing, so don't throw it away. Okay, now pop the potatoes to preheated oven to 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until all the cheese is melted and bubbly and all the potato is warmed through. So, see you there. I hope you liked it. They're melty and gooey, smells divine, and I hope you will subscribe, write me a comment, thumbs up me, and cheers, Victoria.